video, I thought I'd do a 25 facts about me video so that you guys get to know me better. So let's get started. A lot of people ask me how old I am and what I'm doing. So I am 20 years old. I'm in my final year of college. All those people who know me personally know that I'm super bubbly and chirpy, and my great grandmother used to call me Tota because I talk so much. I have a younger brother and he is the most annoying creature on this planet. I am a sweet over savory person, and if given a choice, I'll probably have a desert 3-course meal. I'm a short girl and my height is 5 feet 2.5, and yes, that half inch makes all the difference. I absolutely love art and creativity in all its forms, and I think it's the best way that I can express myself, and I guess that explains so many DIY videos on my channel. Irrespective of whether I get time or not, I will always carry a book in my bag, and I think that's a really good habit because it saves you from those unexpected moments of boredom. I have a dog. I am sure you've met him and seen him in my previous videos, but funny fact is that Scott doesn't think he's a dog. He's like another child of the family. He's super pampered. I have watched Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham and DDLJ innumerable number of times every time it comes on television. I am obsessed to such an extent that I remember all the dialogues, and my parents think it's like a weekly revision for me because I watch it every Sunday when it comes on Max. I strongly believe in originality and being comfortable in one's own skin, and I think it's the best trait that anyone can possess. I have always been an overexcited and hyperhuman being, and maybe I don't come across as that until I don't know you, but once I know you and you become my friend, I shall eat your brain. I am such an auntie, I will choose coffee over milkshake any day. I absolutely love ketchup. I am one of those people who put food on their ketchup instead of the other way around. I am a terrible singer, and when I say terrible, I mean no sur, no tal whatsoever. But funny fact, that doesn't stop me from singing, and I just love singing. As much as I enjoy people's company, I love taking myself out once in a while alone. When I really like a song, I will continuously listen to it for days and days on end until I don't like it anymore. I have had obsessions, and when I say obsessions, I mean room decorations, backpacks, coloring books, lunch boxes of the following in chronological order: Teletubbies, Clifford the Big Red Dog, Kim Possible, Power Rangers, I don't know why I ever like Power Rangers, and Harry Potter. And the Harry Potter obsession still continues. You know those annoying people who always lose their phone and then are running around trying to find it and eventually find it in their bag? Guilty as charged. I strongly believe in positive vibes, and I love keeping everything around me bright, colorful and happy. And if you see my room, it's like a rainbow exploded. I am a morning person and I don't understand how people sleep in so late, and that really annoys my friends because whenever I go over for a sleepover, I'm always jumping around in the morning. I without fail will push doors that say pull and vice versa. I don't know why that happens. This is very random, but am I the only one who cannot sleep with my earrings on? Because I don't know, but the end pointy thingy keeps on pinching my neck. Am I the only one? I cried too much during movies. I empathize with the characters so much, I take it to another level. Malai tikka, mutton biryani, chicken tikka, seekh kebab. I am a meat lover. I love animated movies, and Inside Out and Frozen are by far my favorite. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.